rules for 3, 6, and 9. When we talk about divisibility rules, we're trying to find a shortcut to discover whether a number is divisible by certain smaller numbers. In this case, I have an example. Is 4,218 divisible by 3, 6, or 9? We're going to use the rule, the sum of the digits, that works well for 3s and 9s. Here's what I mean. If you take the number and just add the digits, you get 15. Is 15 divisible by 3 or 9? It doesn't work for 6 yet, which is a much easier question than is 4,218 divisible. So for 3, the answer would be yes. 15 is definitely divisible by 3. How about for 9? Nope. 15 is not divisible by 9, so neither is 4,218. And it's as simple as that. Now for 6's, we use a combination of two things. We ask ourselves, is it divisible by 3? And is it even? And when I say is it even, I mean the original number, not the 15. So when you look at the original number, if it's even and it's a multiple of 3, all the even multiples of 3 are multiples of 6, so that's a yes. Okay, so that's the general idea for 3s, 6s, and 9s. Let's try a few other examples. So in this chart, I have several examples going down the left side. Let's check and see what they're divisible by. The number 2,000, if you add the digits, you just get 2. Well, that's not divisible by 3 or 9. And if it isn't divisible by 3, it's not divisible by 6. So that's pretty simple. 2001, you add 2 plus 1 is 3. So that's a yes for 3. Is it even? No, it's an odd number, so that's a no for 6. And 9 doesn't go into 3, so it's a no for 9. Here's another example. Let's add this. 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 is 18. Well, another trick I was going to show you is you can either stop and ask yourself those same questions about 18, or you can add 1 plus 8, which is 9, and use that to evaluate the divisibility. 9 is definitely divisible by 3, and it's divisible by 9, so those are both yeses. The original number was odd, so it's a no for 6. How about 32? 3 plus 2 is 5, so that's a no for everything. And finally, 3002. Well, the divisibility is the same as 32 because we still have 3 plus 2. That's how divisibility of 3, 6, and 9 works. That's all for today. On another day, I will explain why this works. You can actually prove it, and that's even more interesting than using the rule itself. Until then, have a good time using your divisibility rules.